Hi, I'm Anup from Eicher Trucks and Buses. In BS6 era, Eicher has created another benchmark through its revolutionary BS6 solution UTEC 6, which combines global technology with innovative support solutions. Eicher has experience of supplying more than 1 lakh Euro 6 base engines to Volvo Group for over last 6 years, which are operational in 41 countries across the globe. The Eicher Pro series of heavy-duty trucks is available in wide range starting from 18.5 ton GVW to 55 ton and is packed with many innovative features. The transportation industry is rapidly growing and becoming more demanding in terms of better fuel efficiency, faster turnaround time and higher uptime, along with drivers' comfort and safety. To cater all these requirements, we have brought the revamped and more powerful Pro 6055 55-ton GCW tractor built on the philosophy of profitable for life. It is the next generation truck with wider application suitability available in cabin chassis option. हम माइलेज के बादशाह थे, हैं और रहेंगे. With our commitment to maintain our leadership position in fuel efficiency, Pro 6055 has been designed to deliver up to 5% better fuel efficiency in its product category with proven 6-cylinder VDX8 engine delivering 260 horsepower complemented with Volvo Group's engine management system. Wider peak torque curve, that is 1000 Nm over a range of 1000 to 1700 rpm. It comes with intelligent features such as fuel coaching that gives real-time guidance to the drivers and M Booster Plus to optimize acceleration and maximize fuel efficiency. Efficient box type heats for better thermal management. Eicher Pro 6055 is developed to deliver more trips making extra miles with biggest in its category VTX8 engine coupled with ET140 9-speed gearbox delivering highest input torque. Parabolic suspension for increased riding comfort and enhanced driver productivity. Pro 6055 gives higher uptime through robust driveline and reliable aggregates, advanced onboard diagnostics for preventive maintenance, 4-way engine protection system for engine safety, long and synchronized oil drain intervals, fully equipped Eicher service network along with innovative uptime center to ensure your truck is available maximum time on the road. Eicher Pro 6055 provides more comfort to drivers for longer drives through ergonomically designed cabin with improved suspension, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering, 6-way adjustable driver seat. Enhanced safety with AIS 029 crash tested cabin along with blind spot mirrors. HVAC for comfortable cabin temperature. With our lifetime support solutions, we ensure complete peace of mind for our customers through our seamless experience from the time he thinks of buying an Eicher truck to the time he thinks of selling it. Our offerings are all that you need for your business to make it profitable for life. For any queries, log on to eichertrucksandbuses.com or call Eicher Care at 1800 102 3531.